Step 1. Create source lists. Enter the source section of your admin UI and select the source you want to add content to. The sources depend on your subscription. Inside your source, click on the Channel Lists tab and create a new list, which can be found on the right side of your screen. Remember to name your list in a meaningful way. You may select the reliability of the source list as well if it contains regional, national or international content. Add existing channels or new ones directly into your list. The description of the field tells you how to add channels. Follow the instruction and add channels, or select existing ones by simply clicking on the checkbox next to the name. Don't forget to save your list when you're finished.